Hello, thanks for watching this video and I request you to watch it till the end because I am coming up with 3 fun-filled methods which will make multiplication a loved activity for your child. Be your child's maths cheerleaders and fuel their enthusiasm to learn more. So let's get started.
The method number 1, lines and dots. Let's learn how to multiply 23 with 31. For this 2, let's make 2 lines, 1 and 2 horizontal lines. For this 3, we make 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3. Now for this 3, we make 3 lines, but cutting these lines earlier which we have made, cutting them vertically, 1, 2 and 3. And for this one, let's make another 1 line, 1. Now let's divide this figure in 3 zones. 1, first zone. This middle one is the second zone and this is a third zone. Now let's count the point of intersections in each zone. So 1, 2 and 3. We get 3 over here. Now let's count the points of intersection in the middle zone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's put 1 over here and carry 1 to the last zone. Now let's count the number of points of intersection in the last zone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1 that we already have. So that makes 7. So 23 multiplied by 31 will give us 713. This is our answer. Okay, now let's learn the second method of multiplication, that is cutting the blocks. I'll take the same numbers, 23 to be multiplied by 31, but we will do it with a different method. This method is cutting the block. So first of all, we will make a block. Now divide the block vertically into 2. We are dividing it into 2 parts because we have to multiply 2 digits with the 2 digits, and we also divide it horizontally into 2 parts. So let's take the first number, write 2 over here and 3 over here. We take the next number 31, we write 3 over here and 1 over here. Now let's cut all the blocks diagonally, like this, like this, like this and like this. Now let's multiply this 3 by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. We will put 0 over here and 6 over here. Now we multiply this 3 with this 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. So we put 0 over here and 9 over here. Now we multiply this 1 by this 2, and 2 into 1 is 2. So we put 0 over here and 2 over here. Now we multiply this 1 by this 3. So 1 into 3 is equal to 3. So we put 0 over here and 3 over here. Now let's take the number in this zone. We have 3. Let's now add all these 3 digits within these 2 diagonals. So this will be 9 plus 2, that is equal to 11. But we can't put 11 over here. We will put 1 over here and take this one to the next zone. Now, in this zone, we have to add 0 plus 6 is 6, plus 0 is 6, plus 1 that we had brought from here, it makes 7. So, we put 7 over here, and here we have 0. So, our answer is 713. This is our answer. Now, let's learn the third method. This is called vertically and crosswise. So, let's take the same number. I'll take the same number 23 multiplied by 31. Let's make 3 segments. First of all, we will multiply this 3 and 1 vertically. So, 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. So, we write 3 over here. We multiply this 2 and 3 also vertically. So, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. We write 6 over here. Now, we have to multiply this 3 with this 3 crosswise and also multiply this 2 and this 1 crosswise and then add the products. So, 3 into 3 is 9 and we add it to 2 into 1 is 2. Now, we get 3 over here. So, we write 3. This 9 plus 2 will make 11. We can't write 11 over here. We will only drop 1 over here, that is 1, and carry this 1 to the next segment and add it with 6. So, we get 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So, our answer is 713. This is our answer.
When you create a strong love and appreciation for maths at an early age, you are setting kids up for a successful future. Thanks for watching my video till the end. See you in my next one. Bye bye.